Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Stanton, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet friendly and a free parking. This Stanton Motel is 6 miles from Disneyland, which features rides, dining and entertainment. Guests at the motel can swim in the outdoor pool. Free Wi-Fi is provided in all guest rooms. The air-conditioned rooms at Motel 6-Stanton include a cable TV. Guests can use the laundry facilities at the motel or grab a snack from the Motel 6 vending machines. The Stanton Motel 6 is within a 5-minute drive of Adventure City, which is an amusement park. Los Alamitos Race Course is 3 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.